Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. In this video, I am here going to explain how you can set up the site from server to your local host. Okay, so I will explain every steps how you can set up the site from server to local and local to server. Okay, so let me start. As I have downloaded our website from server, now I'm trying to set up it on my local system. Okay, and many users follow the same step to set up the site from local to server or server to local. Okay, so to set up the local site on my local system, I have downloaded the backup database and files on my local system, and I have extracted all files in my root folder, and here I have also imported database. Okay, I have configured all settings, but still it's showing 404. Why? It is because I have still not updated the server URL and database. Okay, so in this video I will explain you the very easy way to update all your existing server URL to server URLs to your local URL. Okay, it's not a difficult task, it's a very easy task. You can do it even you don't know any technical. You have not any technical knowledge, then you can do it also. Okay, so let me start. First, I will go to login into database. Okay, as I have already logged in here, so they have not asked me to log in exit details. Okay, so here this is my localhost database WP expert. Okay, and I have imported the URL from server to local, but still configured the database setting as well, but still showing it 404. Okay, so it's because, let me show you. You can see, yeah, you can see our site URL is still showing in live URL. Okay, so these all URLs should be replaced with your localhost URL. So okay, so let me come on points how you can do it. Okay, so you have not to do any much more for that. You have just need to need to follow my steps and run the MySQL query with a replace functions from your database, from your phpMyAdmin database, and you can do it very easily. Okay, so let me start the MySQL query. Okay, so first you have need to notice that the table prefix should be different in your database, so please don't forget to use the table prefix in during update the URL in MySQL query. Okay, so let me start the query. Update table names means WP options. Okay, WP options not. I Maybe you are using WP, but I have used here table prefix as WE. Okay, WE. So you have need to use the same table prefix here. Okay, you have need to use the same table prefix here. Update table set. After set you have need to define the value means here field name, option name. Okay, so you need to define option name. No, sorry, you have need to define option name, that is wp option value. Okay, equal. Now you have need to use MySQL replace function, replace function. Okay, you have need to define same option value. Now here there are three parameters in replace function. First is option value name, field name. Okay, and second to define your old URL. Our old URL is, as we have downloaded the site from server, so our old URL will be our live site URL. Experts. Okay, now third option of the replace function is defined to old URL, new URL. Okay, so it will be our local host URL, http slash localhost, I means this URL. I have just copied the URL from my localhost URL and paste it. That's it. And now close the bracket. Okay, so the basically we are using replace MySQL replace function here. There are three parameters. First one parameter, here we need to define the column name. Okay, second one, here we need to define the value of your old website, means if you are going to set up from server URL to server to local, then you have need to define server URL in second parameter. If you going to set up from local to live, then in second parameter you have need to pass your local host URL. It means here in second parameter you have need to define old URL, and third parameter should be always the new URL, new site URL, new URL. Okay, so as we are going to set up our website from live to local, so I have defined the second parameter as my live URL, and third one is my new URL, as I am going to set up my website on this URL. Okay, so basically in WP option table there are many fields value have stored in encoded format. Okay, so you can't replace all value of the table, so we have need to update in WP option table only or only two column, two row value, okay, that's why I am here going to condition where option name equal to home URL. Okay, or option name equal to site URL. That's it. This query is completed to update the URL in option table. Okay, update table names, here table names is WP options, WE options. Maybe you are using WP as prefix table, so your table will be named WP options. Or if you are using any other prefix, table prefix in your website, then you will need to change accordingly. Okay, after that set value. value After value I have used a replace function. In replace function there are three parameters. First need to define the column name, second to define the old or existing website URL, or third one is defined where you are going to set up the site. You are going to site on local, then you have need to choose update the new URL. If you are going to local to live site, you are live server, then here in third point you have need to update your live URL. Okay, so first query is completed. Now let me check it. It's Let me check this query, it's working or not. Okay, so just going to click on row 0 affected. This means value is not updated. Value is not updated in my table. Let me check. This is because here URL is HTTPS and we are using URL is HTTP. Okay, sorry, my mistake, and I have changed the URL to HTTPS. Now check it again. Wow, one row affected. It means value of the home URL or site URL is updated. Okay, let me refresh it. Oh, site URL is updated. Good. Sorry, we have again one mistake again. This is not home URL. This is only home. That's why this value is not updated still. So let me again one row updated. Yeah. So you can see URL is going to automatic update after execute this my MySQL query. Okay, so now you can see 404 will be removed here. Yeah, 404 is run away. Okay, so but still inner pages will not working here. Maybe some images is not coming, might be some other issue as well. Like this, if you go to visit the URL, it's going to, yeah, this is updated. Okay, so let me, this one is also updated. Basically problem, you will get problem here. You have mentioned the full URL like this one. You can see image is still calling from WP Expert live server. Okay, so to fix these issue, we have need to fix these issue, we have need to update the other table data as well. So as you know, post related all information shaped in two tables, post meta and WP post. So we have need to update data value for those tables as well. So let's create same query, update ve we post. Okay, set post show content, post content equal to same, replace same post content. Here we have need to same URL define the HTTPS double slash www wp-ex expert.in, and in third parameter I am going to define my localhost URL, localhost slash wp hyphen expert. That's it. Here you have no need to add any condition, okay, because in wp post tables data always saved in HTML or content format. There is not any decoded data in certain WP post content, so there are no need to update, need to add any condition. Okay, so let me save, repeat same query, copy. I am going to copy, paste. That needs to WP WP EXCERPT expert column, accept column, copy the URL once again, post meta, post meta, post meta. Okay, here meta underscore value, meta value meta value same URL. So these all four queries are ready to update your all URL within a second. If you will go to update the URL manually from WP admin, then it will take your lots of time. Okay, but using this trick you can do, you can update all your WordPress data table links within seconds only, within 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, let me show you the magic. As you can see here, these paths are coming and link also going to live site, these link also going to live site. Okay, this is also coming from live site. Okay, these image also coming from live site. So let me click on go button to execute the MySQL query. Wow, 000 WP expert.1, nothing is updated. It's showing 00. This means nothing is updated here. Let me why this is happen. Check it manually. WP experts, might be we have not tried the WP key. It can work. What was the mistake? Something. Oh, you can see we have added backslash 3 times. Sorry, this is why. Now let me try it again. Yeah, this time it's work. As you can see, as we have already updated, so it's showing 0 row, 167 row affected. means 167 post has been updated within 0.054 second only, and other two tables was have not any live site URL, so that's why it's showing 0. Okay, so let me refresh the page and show you. Wow, you can see URL is coming from local host, not from server. Link also has been updated successfully, so all is now coming from your local host. You can see local host. Okay, so this is the basically magic. I'm going to provide these queries and video description as well, so you can use on your website during to move the website from local to server, server to server, and server to local, anywhere. Just use these four WP query WordPress queries to update your all URLs within a seconds. But please don't forget to update your table prefix. I am repeating again because many times you can many times you can there are the one things here you can get the error. I am here using WE. By default WordPress provided WP options as prefix of the tables. So mostly database I have changed the prefix due to security reason, because this is good for security reason. You can also during setup the WordPress you can also choose the table prefix. Okay, so I have updated the WP option to WE. So please check your table prefix first and then use these query. Okay, you can do this query. I am repeating again. Here we are using replace function only. Okay, and replace function first value is meta your column value, second is to your old website or your existing website, third one is your new site, means new URL means where you are going to set up a website. Maybe you are going to set up website on other domain, maybe you are going to set up on localhost to server or server to localhost. So it's all depend on your requirement or it's your choice. Okay, so all is clear I hope for you, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please like and subscribe to get more videos from our channel. Okay, bye. I will come back again with new video with more important post like this one. Bye, see you, take care.